Today's menu is one of my family's favorites, Punjabi chicken curry. Cooked in ghee, it has the traditional flavor Punjab is famous for. I hope you enjoy it and make it one of your go-to chicken curry recipes. Hey everyone, welcome to Cook with Ramaba. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more authentic recipes. Now let's begin by marinating the chicken. I prefer bone-in chicken as it gives more flavor, but in my fridge today I had boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So I'll marinate the chicken with a quarter cup of plain Greek yogurt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder. I always use this as it gives a bright color, but it's mild in terms of heat. Then add half a teaspoon of coarsely crushed black pepper, and lastly half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well and marinate it for at least 30 minutes, or better still, overnight in the fridge. Here are all the ingredients and spices you're going to use to make the masala gravy. The ginger, garlic, onion and tomato all need to be chopped finely, not pureed. Here I used a chopper just to speed things up. Okay, let's start cooking. Heat a pan on medium-high heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I'm using mustard oil. Once that's hot, add the magic touch ghee. This is what gives the Punjabi curry its rich flavor. I often get asked how much ghee to use. Honestly, the more the better. For this recipe, I added about 1.5 tablespoons. Time to add the whole spices, a bay leaf, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon stick, and cumin seeds. Remember to heat the oil on high flame, then lower it before adding the spices so they don't burn. Now you want to add the chopped ginger and garlic. Stir for a minute on medium heat, and then add the chopped onions. Stir on medium heat until they begin to turn a golden brown color, and you see the oil sizzling around the mix. This means the onions, garlic and ginger have all cooked down. Now the mix is ready for the chopped tomato. Give this a stir for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now sprinkle in your ground spices. No curry is complete without turmeric powder. And here comes the Kashmiri red chili powder. As I mentioned before, it gives beautiful red color and mild heat. You can also replace it with paprika if you don't want any heat. Lastly, add the ground coriander. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low heat. This is to prevent the spices from burning. Let's bring in the hero of this dish, the marinated chicken. Don't stir the chicken just yet. Let it sear on high heat for a few minutes. This helps seal in all the juices and keeps it nice and tender. Go ahead and add another tablespoon of ghee. And if you don't have ghee on hand, a little butter works just fine too. Stir every couple of minutes. You want all the juices coming from the chicken to evaporate. Bone-in chicken produces more juices that enhances the curry flavor. As the juices evaporate, you'll notice the oil starting to rise to the surface. That's a sign your curry is cooking beautifully. You'll also see the color deepen and the gravy turn thicker and richer. Let's go ahead and season the curry. I added about 1 teaspoon of salt, but feel free to adjust it to your taste. Next, add kasuri methi. This is dried fenugreek leaves, crushed to a powder before you add to the curry to release all the methi flavor. Also sprinkle in about a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Lower the heat and add about 1.5 cups of hot water. Enough to make a nice thick masala gravy. You can adjust the water depending on how you like your curry. Add 2 whole green chilies. Leaving them whole won't make the curry too hot, but will give good mild heat. Now cover and let the curry gently simmer for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 15 minutes, lid off. Oh wow, and look at the delicious chicken and that masala gravy. Wow. I like to remove the whole spices. They've done their job and we don't want to bite into any of those. And taking them out keeps the curry smooth and delicious. To finish, I added a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves for garnish. This chicken curry is perfect with naan, roti, or some fluffy basmati rice. And here's a little tip. Make it a day ahead if you can. The flavors deepen overnight in the fridge and taste even more delicious the next day. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment. I love reading them. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video. See you next time.